Mark Zuckerberg didn't become a billionaire because he did 30 press-ups every morning and had goals. Everyone has goals. Your local bus driver has goals. Bill Gates didn't become successful because he woke up early one morning and practices monk mode. Elon Musk didn't become successful because he meditated and worked longer hours. Yoga instructors meditate. Nurses work long hours. Most people are trying to work harder. It's funny because some people literally look at what supplements and diet these billionaires eat and think that's the reason why they're so successful. Warren Buffett eats McDonald's and drinks Coca-Cola on a regular basis. The most successful people didn't get to where they are because of their morning routine or productivity hacks. They became successful by coming up with a unique and controversial idea that challenged the norm. You need to follow 3 steps. Firstly, come up with a different and unique idea. Secondly, make sure your idea is correct. And thirdly, take massive action and execute it on a massive scale.